In this video, I'm going to teach you how to drift in Assetto Corsa with the G29. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Drifting in Assetto Corsa using a Logitech G29 is a little bit different from a direct drive wheel. However, it is still very much achievable. The G29 is a great entry-level wheel, but its gear-driven force feedback can sometimes feel a bit clunky or slow to react. So first, optimize your settings. So for a video of this nature, I'm going to give you the key elements and the proper technique that you should apply in order to drift, but I'm not going to be able to cover every single piece of content, including the settings, and show you how it is done in game. So this video is more of an introduction to drifting with any steering wheel, including of course the G29 specifically. So first, be aware of the G29. Its force feedback isn't as fast or as strong as a direct drive wheel. This means that you will need to be more proactive with your counter steering, which is essential when trying to drift. You can't always rely on the wheel to spin on its own. So when the rear of your car starts to slide, you need to manually flick the wheel in the opposite direction to help it counter steer quickly. Don't be afraid to let go of the wheel and let it spin, but be ready to catch it at the right angle. So to initiate the drift, you need to choose one technique. One of the most common ways is a clutch kick. So press the clutch pedal, blip the throttle, and then quickly release the clutch. The sudden surge of power breaks traction and gets the car sideways, and now you will be able to start counter steering and applying other techniques like throttle control. So like with any wheel, precise throttle control is the most important part of drifting. You have to use small, quick inputs to add power and maintain the drift angle. Too much throttle will cause you to spin out, so be aware. So start on a simple open track, and then after you get the drift initiated with something like a clutch kick, you will be able to counter steer and manage your throttle to get it done. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make high quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.